I put back in the pouch. Actually, I have this tendency to
does-
just continuously reorganize. Everything has to be back in its place. So I'm I'm autistic.
Your brain is not broken.
My brain is not broken at all. It's actually too fixed. It's yeah.
Yeah.
It's too
It's
fixed.
fixed with like cement and stuff, like things that should not be in a brain.
Ha ha! Hilarious. Funny
Yeah.
joke, dude. Good one. If you had said it's fixed because my arteries are clogged, at least it would have made sense. You know, something like that. I don't know. From with cum that I've guzzled because I suck it in my mouth.
Yes, that
And
makes
go-
sense.
That's what I'm saying. It's a better joke. I'm
Yeah,
just
okay.
fixing your joke for you, pal. You know.
Okay, jokeologist. What the fuck?
By the way,
Huh.
that bitch from yesterday,
Can you be specific?
the old lady in the park.
Oh, that bitch.
That bitch from yesterday.
Oh.
She sent her spies out today.
She sent her spies
जासूस
out.
भेजे उसने आज. तो मैं चल
No,
रहा
I
हूँ.
did the translation.
तो तू
No,
ऐसे
that is-
सवाल ऐसे पूछ रहा है. She sent her spies out. हमें तो समझा रहा हूँ ना कहानी. I get it. It's filler. I was like, oh, she sent her spies out? What could that be? So I'm walking, and this random lady, hi, so have you been coming to this park regularly? And I said, no, it's been a couple of weeks now, etc. Oh, where do you live? I'm like, I have properties, etc. Whatever the fuck. I'll blank it out. Well, yeah, I don't want to name drop the park now. That's not a good look. Okay, so I stay here. Okay, I have property there, is what I said, which is I don't stay here.
Correct.
He's like, oh, what do you do? Are you a student? Are you a student? Are you
भाई
learning?
तो सीधा कुत्ते के बारे में पूछा तो कुत्ते के बारे में पूछा
Listen,
बहन की
ये
लोड़ी.
बोलती है, what are you doing as a student? I was like, no, I have my own business. Then she was just a little confused, and I just smiled and I walked off. And then a round later, I see her walking with that old bitch, with the other bitch. So I was like, अच्छा मैं सोच रहा था रास्ते में ये ना इन्होंने या तो RWA ग्रुप में कुछ करा है कि कोई आके सवाल पूछ रहे हैं मेरी कि किसी ने कल फोटो भेज दिया डाल दिया ग्रुप पे हो सकता
हमने
है ये भी हो सकता
बखेड़ा करवाया वहाँ
है
पे.
ये भी हो सकता है ये
वो
भी हो सकता
बेचारी.
है तो for context folks
Yes.
what happened
We went for a walk yesterday.
we went for a walk and there is a stray dog who is on this road and a lot of houses on this road take care of her we take care of her you know she has a little water bowl and we feed her meals and stuff and she's very friendly
She's very
a lovable
cheap.
dog.
She's very cheap. She's very loving and
Yeah.
she's- yeah.
So yesterday we were going out for a walk and she wanted to tag along with us. So we're like, okay, let's go. And she was just walking around. We're taking rounds around the park. She's having a good time. She's frolicking. She's just happy to be there.
She's
in the
peaceful.
park. Peaceful, not
bothering
anybody.
She's going up to some people in a friendly manner. Fine.
No, I get it. I mean, I get the reservations.
Fuck that. No
Fuck
signs
this.
of aggression.
हाँ एक तो ना ये इनको इन आंटियों को भैंचोद एक तो ना मतलब कि सिंपैथेटिक रिस्पांस होता है कि एक दूसरे एक लड़की थी जो पगला गई
भैया
oh my god, bachao, oh my god,
Bhaiya.
oh my god. She did that. And then the other lady took it upon herself to be like, I don't even like dogs. She didn't even come to you, man.
Like-
Bitch, she doesn't like you. How about that?
I
She doesn't like
really
you neither.
dogs.
Bitch.
Yeah, maybe you'd be a nicer person if you like
This
dogs.
bitch doesn't like
Stupid-
that, you know? Like, yeah.
stupid
Anyway.
fucking auntie.
So this
I just
stupid-
like there's signs everywhere that
Not
you
a
can't
single
bring
sign.
dogs over here.
Yesterday I scanned because she was like, there are signs everywhere that no pets are allowed. Not a single sign. Now I really want to fucking name drop the park so that,
Lying cow.
whatever the fuck.
Well, hopefully because we're geographically proximate, let's just hope and pray the YouTube shows this to her, and she just happens to watch this and she knows we're talking about her.
Let's hope and pray the algorithm fucking does its job and gets the spite message across to this old.
She probably has some useless son who watches this kind of shit. So shows up on the family YouTube.
पास करना उसको ताकि मैं तेरे को पास
Abey,
करूं.
हाँ, I
Good
tried
God.
throwing it earlier, but then I didn't. That wasn't the move.
So anyway, this dumb bitch probably saw me
And
walking and
yeah.
sent her other dumb bitch friend.
To ask some dumb bitch questions about a dumb bitch situation.
About a non-issue. Oh, there is some fucking pigeon of glass.
Oh,
Out here.
nice. Some broke.
Some broke.
Oh,
So it'll be a good episode.
Good
I
for the
guess.
episode, I guess.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mildly so.
I don't know. Like I said, I have reservations. I don't have confidence in your logic, frankly.
That's reassuring.
हाँ तो और क्या हो रहा है भाई फिर एक तो ये थी कहानी हाँ कि आंटियां पागल होती हैं मेरे को तो लगता है बस इनको ना फकिंग
Bro, we made their
This
week.
colony.
Now they'll have something to goss about in the park because they don't have lives or shit to talk
Yeah,
about.
these are just busy bodies who just want to fucking control. Oh my god, this is my RWA. This is my park. This is my
First
colony.
2 days is gonna be how dare they, how could they, and then we'll be like, we got them out.
By the way, second slow burn in that same park. I was surprised. 2 in 1. That's a
Wow.
second slow
Is he
burn.
also nice? Slow
He-
burn is.
The guy's a slow burn, dude. What do you want? There's a better way to say it. There are good ways to say it. There are creative ways to say it, so as to not be immediately cancelable.
Yes.
So no, this one had. I think he was worse off. I think
He was worse. Was he unfriendly?
he was. It's you can't. There's no way to ascertain.
Well, the first guy was certainly friendly.
Ha, but this one you can't. I'm
Okay.
saying it's that bad, and he's younger. And in any case, let's not talk about that.
Rip.
Rip.
So our brains are broken.
Rest in perfection.
Only ours.
That's what I'm saying.
And rest in profession. Yeah.
Rip.
Rest in psychiatric ward, brother.
Oh, Rip W. Rip W. So what's up, man? What's happening? There's a tariff war happening in the world.
Was it an entire?
Tariff wall?
Tariff wall. I thought an entire war. Achha, tariff wall.
Tariff war.
Yeah.
Yeah.
भाई ट्रम्प भाई आ गए तो ये सब तो होना ही था.
Crazy presentation. He comes out with a fucking chart and Mount board reciprocatory tariffs and
His thing is ना कि any tariff is imposed on us, हम same तो करेंगे या ज़्यादा ही करेंगे ना कि हम we're not gonna.
yeah, it's about market access.
Yeah. And the US is a bit easier to do business in. Well, up till now.
It's been easier to sell to because they don't
Right.
impose a lot of tariffs.
Right.
Yeah, even though I think so. Well, a lot of economies were impacted. I mean, their markets in their indices were affected, but India and China less so because we have such large domestic economies. But फिर भी कुछ ना कुछ तो करेंगे यार. I think करना चाहिए. We should lower tariffs for American goods.
For them to come in, yeah.
It'll be easier to buy some good shit.
No, but then that goes against the whole Make in India shit, no?
I get it.
Did you see Modi ji said,
Piyush Goyal is sad about startups. What did Modi ji? What's
he
up?
said, make America great again, MAGA, hum bhi make India great again, MAGA plus MIGA equals mega, USA and India friendship, something.
You got the spelling mega, I guess like mega or something. Mega. Mega sounds like a.
What he's saying is America plus India equals eh. I guess that's what it means. Make
Wow.
great again.
So Mr. Modi said that, huh?
Hmm.
And in the same week,
think
I
I have a
don't know, Piyush Goyal said that Indian startups are sucking. All we're doing is.
They're sucking.
Yeah. I mean, his whole thing was, look at American startups and how, they're building like the Googles of the world and the Teslas, etc. And Indian startups are just.
और हम सिगरेट की डब्बी 5 मिनट में पहुंच जा रहे हैं.
वो ये कह रहा है ना.
Yeah.
तो मैं कहता हूँ गलत क्या है भाई अगर इस बंदे ने अपनी पगार कमा के स्मार्टफोन खरीद के स्कैम ना रचे हो
उसके सिगरेट
GDP
की
के-
डब्बी ना मंगाई हो.
जीडीपी कैसे बढ़ेगी आई मीन जीडीपी बढ़ानी है ना आई मीन द गोल इज टू मेक एवरीवन इंडिपेंडेंटली
Correct.
able to fucking provide for themselves and shit. Do you think you could have the scam economy we have without Zomato and Swiggy and Blinkit?
Absolutely not.
No. Without Amazon and shit?
They're
But-
champions of the shadow economy.
Yeah. कितना
Them and Porter.
Dude, I mean, now think of the phenomena such as the digital arrest. Can you have that without the Blinkit economy?
No, you can't.
You need the Blinkit economy, dog. Piyush Goyal is vastly underestimating the power of the Blinkit economy.
Huh.
10 minutes for me
To get a PS5.
is a lifetime. That guy can probably scam 50 aunties. Wasn't it some insane number for the digital arrest scam?
Digital arrest.
Insane number ही था
the
कुछ.
numbers,
What's the fucking number?
yeah. So stupid. Though.
I think it was something like 2,000 crores. 2,000 crores for a digital arrest scam. I think, hold on. Digital arrest scam. Total India. 90,000 cases till mid-November 2024. more than 90,000 cases of digital arrests, with the amount gouged. It says gouged. Okay, well the
Yeah,
amount
gouged.
gouged being estimated at over 2,000 crores. Yeah, like I said. So isn't that a boon for the GDP of the fucking nation?
Is it?
I think so.
Yes, you do.
I certainly think so.
लॉक कर दिया जाए.
ब्रो भैया तो
Okay.
क्या लगता है कि ये जो टाटा नेक्सॉन बिक रही है ऐसी मुफ्त में बिक रही है भाई बंदा कुछ कमाएगा रोटी तभी तो गाड़ी खरीद पाएगा
मुझे नहीं लगता कुछ
ब-
भी मुफ्त में बिकता है. That's not my stance. Don't
but I'm
worry.
just saying dude I think Mr. Goel needs to reevaluate his position on this situation and क्या नाम है उस बंदे का दीपांकर गोयल is it Dipankar Goyal Dipinder Goyal
Dipinder.
Dipinder
Zomato
Go-
ना.
yes
Dipinder.
good job he's doing a good job dog उसकी खुद की कंपनी है कुछ 10,000 पता नहीं I don't know actually I don't know the valuation of Zomato there's that and the digital arrest market and you're not even counting the other Jamtara scams and shit like that
No, I'm not.
digital arrest तो ये है बस एक अकेला it's like a fraction it's a sub sector of the scam economy
यार scam में तो हम
we don't
best
need
ही हैं.
Google dude we've got the
हम-
Aadhaar you've got the data you don't need Google okay fuck Google Piyush Goyal you forget what your administration has itself accomplished
चश्मे बनाता है तू. तू लोगों को स्पेक्स बनाता है.
नहीं ये मिनिस्टर की बात हो रही है
ओ मैं पीयूष बंसल सोच रहा
हाँ
हूँ.
तो पीयूष
लेंस
तू
कार्ड
पागल ही ये
अच्छा.
बंदा नेक्स्ट लेवल ब्रो
Sorry, मैंने गलत बंदे को diss कर दिया
He
यार.
doesn't even know which news phenomenon we're actually having a fucking bit about for the past 3 minutes.
बढ़िया यार. अब मेरे को शार्क टाइम पे कभी नहीं बुलाएंगे. भाई
पीयूष
देख,
गोयल है ही नहीं शार्क
क्योंकि मैंने बंसल की गलती से चड्डी उतार दी ना.
चश्मे बनाएगा holy shit the brain fart remember when you were saying at the beginning of the episode that your brain is not broken let me just tell you something man the more you experience yourself you'll realize this is not the case
Um, friendship with me is just a slow burn.
that it is you are a slow burn
Uh,
like our friends at the park except that bitch anyway
fucker.
fucking dumb bitch anyway it's just I think they're just jealous they see a hot young man taking care of his health and this bitch is like मेरी जिंदगी में मैं तो कुछ नहीं उखाड़ा मैं तो बस एक पार्क की आंटी रह गई
डॉगी लोग मेरे साथ नहीं फ्रेंड्स होना चाहते.
इनको बस अपना पार्क हड़पना है बहन की लोड़ियों को बहन चोद
लेट जा घास में. चूतिया हो रहा है.
yeah
फैल जा. फैल जा. Fucking roll over in the mud.
wow okay
Fucking rub your face in the soil. I don't
right
know. What do you
yeah
want?
take it from him man yeah.
Prey on the kids on the swings in the park.
sure
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
do
yeah.
the fuck you want.
Yeah.
Stupid cow.
yeah
बेचारी डॉगी ने क्या बोला तेरे
stay
को?
away from the ladies in the park dude and God forbid you do anything nice you
Yeah.
you take a stray out for a nice walk in the park she was having such a good time God forbid you do anything nice in this fucking country and some nosy bitch auntie is gonna come tell you what's what
Avoid these women in the park. They're either mean bitches or they're pedophiles. That's it. There's no in between.
जयश्री अपसीन जयश्री आंटी आएंगी stay away from Miss Jayashri.
जय मासी दी. माता नहीं बोल सकता. आंटी.
I don't know how, well, Jay Mata Di itself doesn't make sense as a joke, right? Jeffrey Epstein does. Hence why you modify it.
But मैं
Can you explain the joke to me so I can
Yes,
laugh?
because मैं
Okay.
fuck.
See, I fucking
नहीं क्योंकि यार मैं आंटी को ट्रांसलेट कर रहा था यार किसी उसमें.
Mata Di auntie. I don't get it.
आंटी हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे?
Masi. Oh.
हाँ, different types of aunties.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Great joke. I think it's a good joke.
Yeah. टूट ही जाता पूरा.
Ha ha. Ha ha.
हाँ.
So what else?
अच्छा हुआ तेरे को निकाला पार्क से. हट बैठ के लड़े.
आज तो उसकी हिम्मत ही नहीं
आंटी
बहन
आई एम ऑन द साइड नाउ.
चोद। आज उसकी हिम्मत नहीं थी बहन चोद। बहन की लोड़ी। Anyway, the fucking friend made a fuss and I was like, let me just take her out of the park. And we took her out and we ended a fucking walk because this bitch ruined my evening yesterday. Anyway.
Yeah. But then dinner was nice.
Dinner was nice. We had some. Actually, you know what? I've had second thoughts about it. I actually don't like that overcooked pork. Naga pork is not for me, I've realized. Neither was the fish preparation for me. The momos were nice, but that's like, you can get that a couple places.
Yeah, it's not like the momos are
Yeah, not for me. I don't
very
think.
different in terms of.
Yeah, not for me. I liked the charred pork ribs. That those were nice. That's the only thing that I'd be like, okay, that was a good one. You know,
I enjoyed the squid also, but you didn't like the sauce.
I don't like the sauce.
I didn't like that the same sauce was in two things.
Yeah, I hated that. That's like low effort, bro. मैं यहाँ पे अपने दोस्त का बोनस उड़ाने आया हूँ बहन के लोड़े कुछ कदर तो कर हमारी बहनचोद लूजर yeah.
Let us kill the fish. Bring it to the table. There's a Japanese thing, no? Ikizuki, क्या बोलते हैं उसे?
इकिगाई
नहीं चूती है. मच्छी खाने का तरीका.
सुजुकी
I saw this movie the other day. I went to the cinema with my parents.
अच्छा
Black Bag.
oh right Steven Soderbergh is it good
It's a good movie.
okay
a
I
good
like the
watch.
director
It's got Kate Blanchett.
I know Kate Blanchett Michael
Michael
Fassbender and then
Fassbender.
Naomi Harris is in it
I only know
the
those
black
two.
lady Naomi Harris Moneypenny from the Daniel Craig
Yes,
franchise.
yes.
Yes bruv wake up dude
No. But yeah. हाँ दोनों spy होते हैं CIA husband wife
हाँ पता है मेरे को
कुछ होता है अच्छी है it's a good watch.
I want to watch it I wanted to watch it but I couldn't find a reasonable time what time do you go what show time is it like afternoon shows and there's nothing in the evening
We went on the weekend, I think, or just Thursday. We went on Thursday and 8:45 p.m. show.
that's a good show I don't know why I didn't see that but I guess I was just working that
We
whole
were
week, so I
promenade.
just I actually don't even like going to promenade. That's probably why I disregarded that booking because they have those
You only like
horrible.
going to like one of two places.
They have
right?
ice. Did you have the ice displays? जहाँ पे उन्होंने साइड पे कलर पैनल लगा रखे हैं और वो कलर पैनल अपना लाइट बदलते हैं और लाइक उनको फिर वो मूड ऐड करता है बेफालतू का एम्बिएंट लाइट ऐड करता है पूरे पिक्चर में तो देखा है
इस वाले में नहीं था.
इसमें नहीं था That's good.
This was normal.
PVR decided to develop a technology which is called ICE and they have these colored LED panels that flank the sides of the theater. So the screen is here, they flank the sides. And they just look at the movie and they mimic a good average ambient light, which adds nothing to the experience. I don't know why the fuck they've developed this technology. Nobody I know.
Watches movies like that.
Yeah. The fuck are you talking about? In any case, I'm glad you didn't have to experience that. That's why
Thanks, man.
I disregard that theater entirely now.
Now maybe you can re-regard it. They didn't use
It is regarded enough. I think it is appropriately regarded. That's theater on.
Yeah.
Yes.
They don't have IMAX there, do they?
No, they do not have IMAX. They use Windows machines.
Very nice. More a Linux guy myself.
Linux.
Right, that.
Linux. It's called Linux, you dumb fuck. Body Philistine. Linux, अच्छा.
Linux.
ये दीवान कर रहा है ऐसे Linux.
Line नक से जो लिखा जाए.
Linux, वो नखा तू. तो बताओ और क्या चल रहा है भाई इंडिया में हेलो कल्चर व्हाट दैट डूड
क्या जरूरी है?
अच्छा तू बाहर का बता
Do
दे
you want to see the Modi ji video? Mega,
Yeah, what did he
Maga,
say, dude?
Mega,
What the
Maga,
fuck
Mega?
is what's
देखना
this guy talking about, dude? What's he
देखना?
talking about? दिखा ना
देना
बोल तो
पड़ेगा.
दिया कितनी बार देखना
अबे लेना मेरी लेटेंसी चल रही थी तू ये ले.
Increase the brightness.
साले. So fussy. Increase the brightness. 30 सेकंड का वीडियो चूती है.
Thank you for fucking not disconnecting from my speaker, you piece of shit.
Anytime.
Oh fuck.
I got your back. Anytime you need any other inefficiencies, incompetencies, you know who to look at.
Now I've lost the video, dude. You have to fucking open it up again.
Look in the mirror, idiot.
I don't have mirrors out here. Do I have to go to the fucking bathroom now? What's up?
जाना.
क्या चाहिए तेरे को? पका मत भाई ऑडियंस को यार तू ऑडियंस की कदर ही नहीं करता ये आदमी. ये है
ऑडियंस मेरी कदर करती है.
भाषा में कहूं तो विकसित भारत का मतलब मेक इंडिया ग्रेट अगेन यानी मीगा.
I disagree with the premise.
अमेरिका
India is a 75-year-old construct. It was never great. So MEGA does not work. You're wrong.
बदतमीज.
It was not.
बदतमीज पहले प्रधानमंत्री बोल ले.
नहीं.
इंटरजेक्ट कर रहे हैं तू पॉज कर रहा है उनको.
I
भाई
disagree.
पार्लियामेंट्री डिबेट कर रहे हैं अभी.
और भारत साथ मिलकर काम करते हैं यानी मागा मागा प्लस मीगा तब बन जाता है
मैदा
मेगा पार्टनरशिप फॉर
मैदा
प्रॉस्पेरिटी और यही मेगा स्पिरिट हमारे लक्ष्यों को नया स्केल और स्कोप देती है
I disagree with the fundamental premise out here. Well,
You mean like
I look
this?
forward. I look forward to a more involved relationship with the states.
I just disagree with the M
Maida.
plus yes, M plus I equals E.
It's not. It's incorrect. It's not mega. You say mega. It's
And
not.
what's the full form of mega? मागा का full form है, मिगा का full form है, मेगा का full form क्या है?
Make England great again. It's
Of
about
course.
It's about England.
Let's take it back to colonialism. Let's
Yeah.
fucking go.
Go to fucking Ecuador, or Ethiopia, or some shit. Make Ethiopia great again. Who knows, dude? Slaughter any fucking
Make
country.
Egypt great again. They
Make
have it
Egypt-
coming. They have it coming.
Well,
It's been a while.
If any civilization really needs to make a come back hard,
It's Egypt.
bring the aliens back, build more pyramids and shit. Can you imagine a fucking sphinx? Fuck the sphinx, dude. You're gonna have a big ass Capricorn goat somewhere out here in the middle of New Delhi or some shit. Or you can have a big Sagittarius ass centaur out in Dublin, dog.
Pornhub's about to go wild.
I said Dublin's for centaur, because who's got the red haired ladies out there for the fire crotch. Fire crotch. I like an Irish lass. I
Yeah.
like an Irish accent also,
Yeah,
right?
it's kind of more pleasing. to the-
It's got something interesting to it.
Scottish is ass.
I like a Scot also, dude. I like
Yeah?
a Scot. Yeah.
Actually, yeah. The
I fucks with it,
men
dude.
sound weird. The women
You're not trying to
sound
fuck the man, dude. So you gotta think of the woman's voice out
weird.
here.
You
bruv.
think you could because they're wearing kilts as well, right? So the easy access.
Listen, if that's all it takes for you, pal, sure. I don't judge.
It certainly
I
is a
think
factor.
I need a lady in there also. Just a skirt is not enough for me to be like, fuck it. He's got a hole. I'll stick it in. Not me.
Not me either.
Well,
I mean, I've
you
just got
basically said, yeah, you
Listen,
basically.
someone's got to represent like our queer
अबे
audience.
दाल बदलू साले अभी तो कह रहा था you're with the
As straight as I am, I'm just trying to like stand up for our queer audience.
Wow.
Someone need to take their side every once in a while.
sure
So I'm just talking
sure
for,
that's all it was
for all you lads,
for our queer audience.
for all you,
It's the audience.
for
not
all you
me.
foreign-born Punjabi
It's
lads
the
living in,
audience, folks.
for all you foreign-born Punjabi lads living in Chhatarpur who are into guys in skirts. Go for it.
Anyway, I don't know what that means. What else you got? Or something? कुछ है? Mal?
There is political stuff in South Korea.
That's gay.
Impeach हो गया president.
वो तो कब का हो गया था? फिर से हुआ है क्या? Replacement हो गया impeach? पहला कॉल तो हो चुका है ना?
ये 2 हफ्ते पहले की खबर है.
2 हफ्ते पहले की खबर क्यों बता रहा है मेरे को? I don't care about it. It's got to be right now, dude.
Which means 1 हफ्ता. Okay. Something else. अबे Modi ji, love you.
Well, do you have something? What's happened this week
Oh, I can tell you
that
two
you could
things.
probably, like we could quickly make a fatta about and fuck off.
Any news item? Ladies and gentlemen, our anonymous news consultant.
Wow, dude.
I do have 2 things.
Tell me.
एक मेरे घर का, एक दुनिया का.
घर का सुना.
गाड़ी चली गई.
कौन सी?
Harrier.
ओ भाई, बताइयो.
अमृतसर.
बताइयो.
गई.
तो अगली क्या सीन है? What's the plan?
अभी कुछ बोला नहीं है लेकिन मेरा बाप रह नहीं पाएगा ऐसे. Because every day, every second day. Left on Sunday. So it's been. And like 9 days ago वाला.
Sorry? He left 9 days ago on
The
Sunday.
car left 9 days
The
ago.
car left 9 days ago and he left where? When?
No, today my parents went to Chandigarh. Somebody died. They'll be back tomorrow. Whatever, that's different. But this guy took it off dad's hands
When?
9
9 days ago. Okay.
Deepak Bhaiya, he's chill.
हाँ तू
हम
सुना
दोनों
चुका
मेरे
था
बाप से छुप के सुट्टे पीते हैं. He's like 5'2". He has triplets. He's 45 years old with like 3 triplets. They're 20 years old and they're all taller than him. It's
actually. Stacked up together or
individually.
individually? Oh, interesting. Wow, stacked up together is such an
You think the
insult.
triplets having to share the womb would come out smaller, right? But no, these guys.
I don't know about that, but if you think so.
I've seen a
Is that how
couple
you
of
think
twins.
biology
I've seen a
works?
couple of twins who are like that. Though they came out really fucking like एक दूसरे के लिए nutrition नहीं छोड़ा उन्होंने basically.
हाँ.
And even at the 13, 14 years
मम्मी को
old
देखा
now,
मम्मी ये तो नहीं आने सकती कोई मॉडल टाइप.
उनकी मम्मी भी and ऐसे
तेरे दिमाग में लोचा है भैंस हैं?
अच्छा उनमें लोचा नहीं है.
Nahi.
Okay.
No, incorrect. Incorrect. You are
They're like
short.
35 kilo 14-year-olds.
What?
Yeah.
The children? I thought you said the children are 20-year-olds.
No, those are different ones. I'm talking about the malnourished twins. That's separate.
Oh my god.
The 3 triplets are good.
Acha, you know what it is? You wanted to talk about the fucking car, and now suddenly I'm talking about triplets and heights and shit like that. You're so fucking. I'm totally zoned out of where I was supposed to pay attention. Can you bring it back? Bring it back. Rein it back, bro. Rein it back, dog. Tell me what the actual गाड़ी गई अब गायब. हाँ
This is
ठीक
the
है.
sound of the Guardian's way to Punjab.
अच्छा तो तेरी गाड़ी गया. तेरे potential candidates पहले से तेरे बाप को वो महिंद्रा रॉक्स पसंद है ना?
B6E wala.
B6E. Oh, but does he go for the electric or he probably not going to go for the whole electric? No. I don't
He'll
think
probably
so.
do a hybrid if he does.
That's the move.
My dad's
I-
a petrol guy.
Yeah, he's a nice
always.
guy, dude. Ice. He's a nice guy. He's an ice guy. Well, he's a nice guy. He's a nice guy.
I don't know what kind of point you're making.
I-
First we were trying to like talk about the car going. Now you talk about my father as a
No,
human
I
being.
literally am talking about the internal combustion engines. Ice. So he's a nice guy. He's a nice guy. Get it? It's the same shit. That's what I mean to say.
Nice.
But I feel like the hybrid is a good move these days. It's a decent move.
Let's see. Abhi gaadi baat nahi hui, but ho jayegi because every second day he's been like, oh, you need the car, you need the car. If you're not, I'm going, I'm be back by this time, whatever. And half the time I've been like, sorry, I've taken the car, bye. So he's had to take out the Merc every time,
खटारा.
which he's not. Yeah,
दो
which-
खटारा क्यों? अच्छा चलो शुक्र है अब तो एक खटारा पाल
अब
रखी है.
एक खटारा तो एक गाड़ी आ जाएगी.
ये साले तेरा अंकल
मेरा अंकल.
तेरा अंकल और रिश्तु दोनों ने खटारा मर्सिडीज पाल रखी है. What the fuck is this? The idea of having a Mercedes is better than having the experience of actually driving a nice vehicle. I think.
मेरे को तो इको स्पोर्टी पसंद है मेरे भाई.
I fucks with my i20 dog.
Yeah.
I love that shit. It's a small go kart. It's a fast one.
Yeah,
I
it's
like it.
necessary for where we are in
That's all you
Delhi.
need, dude. Yeah, in this fucking city, disgusting.
I think even well a while ago about 10 years ago something my parents they decided fuck driving a manual in Delhi. There used to be manual
Of
cars all
course.
they drove manuals all their lives, but they're just like this start stop.
It's just not good. If you really want to drive a car manually, the amount of wear and tear it goes through in traffic, you're just not going to have a good enough manual system for when you want to enjoy it.
Yeah.
You might as well go for an automatic transmission. And
Yeah,
that's just
so-
the way to do it.
So we've been automatic for a while.
Yeah, bitch.
So that's all. Yeah.
Next.
Next, they revived. I mean, the extinct species, the dire wolves, ki scientific breakthrough. Now that they're old enough, whatever, it's been like nearly 6 months. There's 2 male dire wolves. Dire wolves, pata hai?
I know the concept.
Type of wolves.
Yes, the older, bigger,
they went
larger.
they went
Yeah.
extinct 10,000 years ago
Sure.
through fossilized remains from some 7,000 years.
How they revived it? मतलब कि
Matlab I suppose what they do is they probably gene edit some adjacent existing animal.
the gene
usme
edit.
Some genome sequencing, some shit must be happening over here.
Sure, they gene edit, but how do they breed it? I mean, like, how do they fertilize an egg? What's the process there, bruv?
Let's find out.
Thank you. Yes.
Or you can even watch them grow up on YouTube It is Colossal is the channel name.
Watch them grow up?
There's 2, Remus and Romulus,
Of course.
like the founders of Rome.
I know.
And do bhai hain, and you can watch them grow up. They're basically being recorded and everything. You can just watch a stream of them.
Like Big Boss.
वो बिग बॉस जी रहे हैं, वो पैदा होते ही बिग बॉस में के घर में है.
That's the reason to do it, honestly. You fuck the scientific experiment.
हाँ,
The content potential is vast.
everything is content. Back in the day, fucking सेब किसके सर पे गिरा था? न्यूटन के,
Yeah.
है ना? वो इंस्टाग्राम पे होता तो वो रिक्रिएट नहीं करता, रील नहीं बनाता. उसका
भी-
फ्रेंड उसके सर पे सेब गिराता और वो कहता अच्छा तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
Dude, he
He's-
would have had a photo up with it. He would have had merchandise. You would be buying fucking Apple
He would have had a naughty
branded
Eden
cup-
version.
cup mugs and shit, hoodie. You would have like fucking an Apple hoodie and shit like that. Newton. haha.
Apple company तब आई होती.
Bro, that's the way to do it, man.
Everything is counted.
The potential.
Einstein अपना post करता selfie कहता bad hair day.
What does Peter have to say about this shit? Huh?
I don't know, but I am just imagining Einstein endorsing curly hair shampoo on Instagram and stuff. And yeah,
I like that they're back. The dire wolves. That's cute. Can we have a look?
so ask your Siri.
No.
Dire wolves made how? Using ancient DNA, cloning, and gene editing technology to alter the genes of a grey wolf, the prehistoric dire wolf's closest living relative. Did you hear me? Did you check out?
I checked out.
You want to check back in? I found the answer. Are you searching for yourself regardless?
Oh, I'm doing a work thing. Sorry. Carry on. Tell me.
हाँ यहाँ से कट करके बता देंगे.
Batana.
They've created 3 dire wolf pups. I thought it was 2. By using ancient DNA through fossils.
Romulus,
Cloning.
Remus, and Roma.
2 लौंडे हैं ना.
मुझे जंगली बिल्ली.
Missed topic. मुझे जंगली बिल्लियाँ. But how are they gonna breed, bro?
Exactly, dude. You can't have gay sex forever. Hello?
हेलो
हाँ जी.
हाँ जी लाइट चली गई पूरे स्टूडियो की.
अरे वो यूपीएस चल नहीं रहा था तो अभी तुम लोग हो नीचे की क्लाइंट खत्म हो गया ना.
खत्म हो गया. हाँ.
अच्छा रुक जा मैं
Client खत्म हो गया.
मैं देखता हूँ भाई कुछ तुम्हारा एमसीबी ट्रिप हुआ है बिकॉज ऑफ द अमाउंट ऑफ व्हाटएवर द फक. एनीवे
तेरा क्लाइंट खत्म हो गया.
कॉल मोहित कुमार.
बेचारा. गाने बनाने ही तो आया था स्टूडियो में है.
यस कैन वी सॉरी अबाउट द फोन कॉल्स.
कुत्ते पे आ जाए वापस.
कौन सी हमारी हमारी कुत्तिया ऑफिस वाली जो पार्क में थी.
नहीं एक्सटेंट कुत्ते जो अब अनएक्सटेंट कुत्ते.
देयर वुल्व्स नॉट डॉग्स.
ये एपिसोड कुत्तों का ही है.
वो-
Word.
कुत्ता man.
How?
Anyway बता ना.
How did they make a direwolf? A grey wolf is the closest living relative of a direwolf. They're genetically really similar, so we targeted DNA sequences that lead to direwolf traits and then edited grey wolf cells. Then we cloned those cells and created our direwolves.
So, dude, by the way, you know about the you know about the New York Giants,
Yes, the team.
right?
Yes.
You know why are they called that? Because they actually uncovered what 11-foot tall giants out in old New Amsterdam in New York. So they were
मेरे
actually
परदादा जी.
हाँ, so giants were
Oh,
actually
तेरी.
discovered. So मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ भैंचोद you can then breed fucking giants and shit again, dog. If you can do a dire wolf, you know what's the next step?
I thought हम पेशावर से थे यार. हम न्यूयॉर्क से हैं. मुझे पता ही नहीं था. बहन चोद.
Ah,
सही है यार. जाऊंगा मैं कभी.
New York Giants.
घर वापसी करूंगा मैं.
एसी ऑफ है कि क्या? अच्छा हाँ ठंडा नहीं कर रहा ना. No, ठंडा कर
एक
रहा है.
दिन होगी मेरी
I'm just hot,
घर
I guess.
वापसी.
So I'm just saying, dude. I like this CRISPR shit. Bring it up, dude. Let's go, man.
What Christmas shit?
This CRISPR shit is the gene editing. bhai.
CRISPR हाँ.
Huh? No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It is what it is. But this CRISPR shit, I like it. I think
नहीं मजे हैं.
there's a lot of options. You know, imagine the Asians could have full eyes instead of half eyes.
Wow.
They could just breed themselves into having full eyes, and you know, Biharis could breed themselves into,
So do you think
into
the
having
Asi-
bigger brains. There's a lot of the applications are
See,
endless.
I think it has to come
Good-
from their own DNA. That might not be possible.
Gujaratis could have evolved to not eating sugar as savory items. To not have adding sugar to bhindi masala.
Yeah, they're not having dessert before
to
lunch.
not having dessert for main course.
Yeah.
You could breed Gujaratis to learn how to do that shit, you know. Marathis could learn to chill
Yeah, and not throw
instead of
every-
fucking up a
a UP guy on a train
comedy store.
and throwing
क्या है
every.
भैंचोद बंद ही नहीं होता है मारचो. Hello. You know,
It's pretty
Marathis
sad.
could really learn to chill. That's what I'm saying.
कोई भी यूपी का बंदा दिख जाता है उसको चलती ट्रेन से फेंक देते हैं. Migrate साले.
I'm just saying, dude. The possibilities are endless. I think we could really have a better society out there. You could breed Frenchmen to not smell. There's a lot going on. We could do a whole lot.
Can you?
I don't know about that.
That's
There's some
that's
things
a tough
might be
one.
beyond the realm of scientific discovery. It could be the case.
Yeah.
Sometimes I think this is the aura smells. It's not the person. It's not the physics. Maybe like.
Eee.
So you know how in like horror films and shit. I mean, it's so basically whenever we do rituals in any religion across religions, you have nice scents to welcome good spirits, right? The Hindu में हवन
Yeah.
करते हैं, फूल वगैरह हर जगह होते हैं. Even in the Christian Orthodox Church, they have a thurible,
Islam
they
में
have burning
बखूर
sage and
वखूर
shit.
जलाते हैं
So
वगैरह.
yeah, exactly, because you want to create nice scent for
Right.
nice, pleasant spirits to enter. And so in horror
All the
movies,
meditative
if
shit.
when there is like a ghost or an evil spirit, you start smelling. You have a foul smell, the foul smell, right? So I think the French just have an aura. They're haunted.
They're godless motherfuckers.
So you
no.
can't. It's not really something that you could probably breed out
the
through
French.
CRISPR.
The French are godless motherfuckers. No, so they have no good smells. They smell like
That
shit.
might be the case.
They smell like
It
shit
might just be the case.
because they have no god.
Yeah. Could
Fucking depraved ass fucking junkies.
be. Yeah. What do you think with the Italians and the olive oil? You think that could also be up for grabs? Do you think we could fix that?
Yeah,
that
pasta I
more-
don't know about.
Yeah. Olive oil is a big smell. Of course, we're not going to go with the most obvious joke about the Indians who smell because this is an Indian podcast, so shut the fuck up.
And Indians don't smell.
No. We're pleasant. We always smell pleasant. The weather is not. The weather doesn't contribute. The crowds don't contribute at all.
No.
Everybody go out in
We
public.
don't have many people.
There's barely any people around, dude. Honestly, it's a ghost town out here in Delhi. There's definitely no annoying aunties just prowling the parks, bugging you.
Stupid bitches can't even stop thinking about them, right? I hate them.
I'm just saying.
We walked the female dog, yet that was the bitch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good applications, I think, coming our way, and I think we have hope for a bright future.
The fuck you talking about?
CRISPR.
Oh.
I'm just saying, going back to the joke. This AC is not on, dude. I'm feeling hot. Anyway, I can't do anything about it. Can't do much about it right now.
और तो लग रही है तू. White shirt, blue pant. Who's the lucky girl? It's me, isn't it? Okay.
It's the auntie in the park. I'm gonna hate fuck her. You're gonna have to
This
hate
is
fuck.
not good for you.
You're gonna have to hate fuck her.
This is
dude.
not
That's
good for
this is
you,
the
man.
only way I'll get the aggression out of my system. I'm gonna have to go to her home and hate fuck her.
Is she going to be into it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. This is a courting ritual. She was just negging. She's just been negging.
Negging.
She's been negging. sir.
Terminology.
She's
This
been
is
negging, yeah.
negging. Negativing or whatever, right?
Oh my god, I don't like you. I don't like your dog. Get the fuck out of the park. She's negging me. She's negging me to come fuck her.
Back in the day, you used to call that nagging.
Yeah.
But wow,
That's just what it is.
I guess it is. Wish she'd go extinct.
Facts. Didn't break. That's good.
That means the episode's gonna be shit.
Do we have a track record of like it always being a good episode when something breaks? Not necessarily.
It's just like the breaking
Actually-
glass thing. You're like lakhaim. You're like, oh, कितना अच्छा हो गया, कुछ टूटा है ना? Good luck होता है.
उस
अगर नहीं
उस
टूटा
हिसाब से तो तेरा दिमाग टूटा हुआ है तो हर एपिसोड अच्छा होना चाहिए ना उस हिसाब से.
But nahi hai na, I'm a reasonable human being with reasonable faculties and capabilities, unfortunately. You should find some retard.
I don't think that your brain is not broken. I think there's a flaw with your theory. So that's
So then my brain is broken, checks out.
correct. Like I said,
Chess mate, motherfucker.
chess mate, pal.